land automation. We are taking a village level the vector data based on attribute classification. Land cover is trying to showcasing here three type of classifications we are taking as input. One is patta, assignment land, and government land. These three types how the land is allocated. We are showing that here the main drawback, the land automation is required means what is particular the land reference. We are taking a time lapse. How many land owners is changing, how many land behavior, uh, how many subsplits is happen for the land as a time period travel, and how many owners is take place, what are the issues is get back and particular land, how to we need to take a feedback over the land cover service as a delivered to the network. Means it is everyone taking a login to get back their land cover details. We are going to specific here. We are see a detailed information of attribute information, how the land specific attribute information, attribute classification. We go for the detailed manner means a specific the boundary, means we are go detail manner. We are taking particular the uh, vector land boundary. Here the vector land boundary, the what is vector shape. After that, how many subsplits is happen for a particular shape. We are go for the detailed information, as a time lapse the owner land owners is changing. Finally, what is final leaves is get back the information. These are the current situated lands. Similarly, we are the entire the village level. Similar operations we are taking first one and second one and third one and so on. The existing village level and the count of the survey particular the vector boundaries, that much of land splits and land owners is changing over the time period. What we can here we existing here all tree with child nodes is as indicating that as a tree mechanism. The child nodes is a current landowner. The remaining before one parents are and all is a child one. We are go detail manner in child. We are go detail manner in the particular. Here going a particular number the vector data number. Here some splits is happen. I'm going thread for the particular thing. uh, it is total three splits is happen for this particular land cover. Three splits, the what is the indication here. The child is this is the shape. After that, newly the lands is take place means the three partitions happen once again. This manner the land is get back. Here the total, here the child load 56 and 57, 58. And these are the lands of splits. Total the extent the 40 and 30 and 30 cents the land extent. We need to get the feedback from the end landowner logins, get back the feedback. Here giving a taking a S1. I'm giving a land. I have a issue. I have issue arised. This thing is as a time period the land details is added. Here the somewhat the network infrastructure based on the login, the is the version and his opinion means comment is added, just like YouTube we are video we are giving opinion, just like here giving one more this is giving a next comment. Next comment we are giving as a indication. This is added. This type here the added the information. Here the what was we can notice the particular land cover in here. See again we are similarly the many partitions. So, how many uh, existing child nodes on graph we from network side we have finally fetch uh, the land related issues, land related opinions. It is collected based on the network infrastructure. We are going the detail the what is previously existed child information. Nested here we need to go for the list of the you need to take a list on existing we go through this and we are go number the vector cover number the 443 and before 444 we are going before 491 and so on existing entire land cover we are get back we are fetching the child nodes means land currently the owners of land cover the before time lapse the before the land owners the land is hand over to the children's or some reason the lands is exchanging means these are the indication showing that the time lapse based on their logins data the land cover is exchanging to someone else such a way that we are get back and here some of the specific timestamp we can analyze particular the land cover the how much income is generated every financial year how many land conversion happen in the particular survey number particular the vector data and specific uh, conditions the same data we can share to the some of the other services agriculture services the mining related services industrial related services some trust in temple trust on the land allocation how entire existing data how much land the belong to the trust such a the wonderful uh, on the land related the classifications we can it can possible uh, to do such operations. I'm giving conclusion. This is one more introduction, the land automation, how the chain of mechanism. First, we are entire village level, how the indication. Second one is specific information, how much subsplits happen. We go through entire village level, the vectors subsplits, the nested manner we are taking similarly, particular specific nested the land cover again we are as a time lapse the many land shapes will be changing every time lapse we can take the feedback based on existing user login they're getting their profile photo and is get back the comments not only login user nested logins someone other login person also able to view their comments and their land information even the data is open but the land owner itself check the do the modifications some permission limited operations he can only do the edit and remodify the existing is concerned. Now, based on the integrating the payment gateways, the amount is set to the land cover department. The services will be delivered to the end user. Some land cover the management hierarchy team. Same services will be delivered using the land as a service, as a providing from internet. In this way, some traffic land cover department suppose handle the traffic 5,000 per day. This one at least handle for the 1,000 per day, means a certain for 5,000 1,000 request is reduced at the delivering land cover department, such a way that we can do the automation technique, chain of mechanism based on authentication, who are the educated to know the how data can fulfill. It will be from those area of cluster, the traffic will be take care. Some of person the land is there, but how it can function is not don't know. It depends for the team of hierarchy. They can hand over this those specific people traffic from their end to the they can solve the same services from their end. This is a conclusion. The one more. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. Thank you. Goodbye.